G'day campers, it's me, Mr. Chris, back at the Kinder campsite. Today, I've been exploring the mountainous regions across the world, and I've stumbled across 3 really strange animals that I wanted to share with you. The first animal I want to share is a type of donkey, although it's not called a donkey. It's actually called a kiang. Now, a kiang is the biggest, longest, and heaviest donkey in the whole world. In fact, they're twice as tall as you. So if you stood on your best friend's shoulders, the kiang would still be taller than you. And if I was to lie down on the ground with toes up one end, head up the other, the kiang would still be longer than me. It is a huge donkey. Let's put the kiang on our mountainous habitat chart. Our second animal I wanted to share with you is an animal that only has 3 letters in its name. Y-A-K. Do you know what that might be? It's a yak. Now, yaks are a little bit interesting. A yak is almost like a cow, except it has even bigger horns and it's covered in furry hair. How strange. Why do you think it's covered in that hair? It looks a little bit cold in this picture. Maybe it helps to keep them warm. You know, there's another thing that it has which is quite special. Another creature like it, like smaller yaks or other cows don't have. Inside its body, and inside my body and your body, we have lungs to help us breathe in air. Well, the yak's lungs are so much bigger than mine. They're so much bigger than yours. They're so much bigger than a cow's. In fact, the yak's lungs are bigger than 3 cows' lungs put together. That's a lot of air it's sucking in. The reason why it has that is because in the mountains there's not much air. So you need even bigger lungs to breathe in more oxygen, to breathe in more air so your body has the oxygen it needs. How interesting. Let's put it on our mountain chart. There's 2, that means there's 1 more. This animal here, I want to see if you can guess it if I give you the clues. This animal is the colour brown. This animal likes to go fishing. This animal has fur all over its body and it has 4 big paws with sharp claws on the end of them. This animal does something a little bit interesting when the weather starts to get cold. During winter, it starts to get very tired, so it eats and eats and eats so much food and gets a little bit fat. But then it sleeps for a long, long time. It doesn't just sleep when it goes to bed and wakes up the next morning. It goes to sleep. And it sleeps through over 30 days, over a month. It sleeps a very, very, very long time. Do you know what it is? It's a brown bear. And in this photo, you can actually see them fishing. They love eating fish. I think it's their favourite food. Let's put it on our chart. Fantastic. So now we have our kiang, the biggest, longest, heaviest donkey in the world. Our yak, which is a bit like a cow with longer horns, hair all over itself to keep it warm, and great big lungs to breathe in lots of air and oxygen. And finally, the brown bear, which does that strange thing where it sleeps for a long time. That's actually called hibernation. And we also know that it goes fishing. Just like we've been doing at our Kinder campsite. How fun is that? Well, I'm feeling a bit tired now too. Maybe I need to go into hibernation. I'll see you all tomorrow after another fun adventure. I wonder which habitat I'll go to next. Let's find out. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.